Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Cunt Yo-Yo here, back in with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I have this super cool chopstick green triangle thing for you. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Just like that. This trick is on the easier side, but I'm going to try and teach it to you as quickly as possible so you can get on with it. A couple things before we get into this video. I'm going to be using the Deviant Plus for this tutorial, and this video is going to be sponsored by Yoyo UK, so you can head on over there and use code Kieran5 for 5% off at checkout. Okay, let's get straight into this tutorial. So to start off with, you've got this chopstick element like so. Now this actually isn't as hard as it looks. Basically, all that's happening is you're rolling over your index finger like so. But you want the string, you want your finger first of all to be pointed towards you. And then you want the string to come round from the back like so. Almost as if you're going to roll into like an undermount that's also in gorilla. So, just like that. From there, you're going to create the chopstick by creating this like super common chopstick element. Instead of going in from the front, you're going to twist your hand in to point you and then create it like so. From there, you can just roll the yo-yo into that chopstick like so. You should be in like a reverse sub mount with your thumb in, so it should sort of be like that mount right there. From here, all you're going to want to do is roll this slack over whilst grabbing the two strings here with your hand. You're going to bring this over and place it onto the yo-yo like so. So it's just kind of over and the yo-yo is going onto that front string like so. From here you're going to pinch and let go of everything with your non-throw hand. Then you can grab this string here and flick the slack over the yo-yo going round. From here you can just roll like so, out and then under, and then when you pull your arm through this loop, you should be in a green triangle that pops from the back. Doesn't compare to that. That is literally the whole trick, so I'll go over it one more time for you just now, and then you can be on your merry way. It is a super easy trick, but it'll take some time to master. Anyway, one more time. Chopstick, pull in, land on the trapeze thing, pinch, slack over, and then unroll, going like off to the side and then out. Then drop, green triangle, pop out the back, and bind. And yeah, that is the whole tutorial. So leave a like, comment, and peace. I need an intervention.